There's a number of ways to let your students use DetectedX. The most obvious way is to ask them to log into a platform and search for a module. But for a lot of us academics, time is of the essence, and we often don't have the luxury to assume that our students will do that or even will know how to do that. So what I like to do is to embed it right into the LMS site, of which we use Canvas. Now let me show you what that looks like. Here I've loaded up the week 2 tutorial for our hands, fingers and thumb module. And you can see in the beginning, there's a bit of an introduction. We have the tutorial slides that they can click to download the PDF, some extra notes that they would find useful. There's a section on image critique that I've put here with some notes and a linked YouTube video. They can find their exposure charts over here. And usually at the end, I put link different YouTube videos of myself or potentially other creators that I think would be relevant for that week's content. And if you noticed earlier, there's a section here on DetectedX videos, and for this particular module, which is on the hands, fingers and thumb, I have linked the relevant videos and quizzes of, in this case, my radiography masterclass right into the Canvas LMS. And so all the students have to do is literally click on it, and in this case, I'm going to click on the anatomy and it'll open it up directly into that page. So I can click play and it opens up the anatomy section of the hands, fingers and thumb for the students to see directly just by clicking that link, which is really, really nice. I can then close this tab and do the same thing for the radiography section. So over here, again, just another click, I'm going to mute it, open it up and watch the video directly linked into the Canvas site. So all of those are there. And at the end, I've also linked a particular quiz so they can click right in, go ahead and attempt that quiz for that week's module. And you can imagine for each subsequent week, if it's on the wrist, forearm, elbow, and so on, the same things can be linked very easily into the Canvas LMS page. So you basically take out the guesswork for the student to make sure it's really easy for them to just click and access a video or click to access a particular quiz. So hopefully that was helpful. If you want to know how else you can use the platform with your students, I'll link on screen some of the other tutorial and case study videos.